Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as you can see here, that basically in this lecture, we are going to talk about the capitals and currencies of the different countries. Okay. This is going to be a topic that we are going to discuss in this lecture. All right. We will see the capitals and also the currency of different countries. This is an important topic as far as the competitive exams are concerned. Why? Because you can see the question directly asked from this section in the examination. Okay. And this is also the part of static and current. And how does it? So basically we could say in static the question directly asked from here because this is in static part as normal. But how does it becomes the part of current? So you can say whenever there is anything happen in any country and the country is in news, then there are chances that might be the capital of that country, the currency of that country could be asked in the examination. So that's how it becomes the important section of competitive exams. Got it? In this lecture, basically what we are going to do, we are going to discuss them in detail, and we will try to get the facts and figures in a proper manner so that whenever we have to face the examination, we will face it with confidence. Okay. So this is going to be our course of action. Like we are going to start with the capitals and currency of different countries. First, we will discuss them. Second, we will discuss the summary of them. Okay. First, the capital and currencies. Second, the summary. Okay. But as usual, before all of this, we have the small disclaimer here. And the disclaimer is like the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and you have any concerns or issues, then please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now we have understood the disclaimer. Now it's a part for discussion. So basically, first that we have is the Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a country with capital Kabul and the currency is Afghani. Okay. Second that we have is Albania. It is a country. The capital is Tirana and the currency is Albanian lek. Then we have Algeria. Algeria is the country. Capital is Algiers. Currency is Algerian dinar. Then country is Andorra. Capital is Andorra la Vella. Currency is euro. Then Angola is a country. Capital is Luanda. Currency is Angolan kwanza. Then Antigua and Barbuda. It is a country. Okay. The capital is St. John's. St. John's is the capital and currency is East Caribbean dollar. Then Argentina. It is the country. The capital is Buenos Aires. Currency is Argentine peso. Armenia is a country. The capital is Yerevan. Currency is dirham. Remember, it's not dirham, it's dirham. Okay. So do not get confused between the two. Australia, country. Capital is Canberra. Currency is Australian dollar. Then the Austria. Remember, Austria and Australia are different countries. Australia is also the continent and a country, whereas Austria is a country of European continent. Austria with the capital of Vienna. Currency is Euro. Azerbaijan. Capital is Baku. Currency is Manat. Then, as we move forward, the country is the Bahamas. Capital is Nassau, and the currency is Bahamian dollar. Bahrain is a country. Capital is Manama. Currency is Bahraini dinar. Then the Bangladesh country. Capital Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Then Barbados country. Capital is Bridgetown. Currency is Barbadian dollar. Belarus country. Capital is Minsk. Currency is Belarusian ruble. Then Belgium, the country with capital Brussels. Currency is Euro. Belize, the country with the capital Belmopan. Currency is Belize dollar. Berlin. Sorry, not Berlin. Benin is a country. Capital is Port Novo. Currency is Western African or CFA franc. Bhutan is a capital. Bhutan is a country. Capital is Thimphu. Currency is Nagultram. Bolivia is a country. Capital is La Paz, also known as Sucre. Currency is Boliviano. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Capital is Sarajevo. Currency is convertible mark. Botswana country. Capital is Gabon. Currency is Pula. Brazil is a country. Capital is Brasilia. Currency is Real. Brunei country. Capital is Bandar Seri Begawan. Currency is Brunei dollar. Bulgaria is a country. Capital is Sofia. Currency is Lev. Burkina Faso is a country. Capital is Ouagadougou. Currency is West African CFA franc. Burundi is a country. Capital Bujumbura. Currency Burundi franc. Cambodia is a country with the capital Phnom Penh. Currency is Real. Okay, the spellings are different. In Brazil, the real is REAL. In Cambodia, the real is RIAL. So keep this difference in your mind. Cameroon is a country. Capital is Yaoundé. Currency is Central African or CFA franc. Canada is a country. Capital is Ottawa. Currency is Canadian dollar. Cape Verde is a country. Capital Praia. Currency is Cape Verdean escudo. Central African Republic country. Capital is Bangui. Currency is Central African or CFA franc. Chad is a country. Capital is N'Djamena. Currency is Central African CFA franc. Chile is a country. Capital is Santiago. Currency is Chilean peso. China country. Capital is Beijing. Currency is Chinese yuan or renminbi. Colombia is a country. Capital Bogota. Currency is Colombian peso. So here we have finished the topic. Now, if we see the summary of the related things, then we can say the capitals and currencies are the essential elements of the country's identity and the governance. Each country having a designated capital city serves as the political administrative center for that country. Alongside the currency, it is also the medium of exchange used for transaction within that country. The key points that we discuss is the capitals, currency, and the economic influence. Okay, culture significance and the changing dynamics. So here we have finished the topic. It is requested to all of you kindly revise the facts and figures thatsoever we have discussed in this lecture, because as I have told you, this lecture is about the capital and currency, which is also the static part and equally important for the current part. Okay, so it's become essential for us that we must learn them, we must revise them in a proper manner on the regular basis, because if we don't, then we will have to face some difficulties in the examination. Okay, so with this note, we are going to end this lecture, and